Today I'm unboxing not just one, but two tools that can really take your espresso prep to the next level: the IKAPE Double-Bearing Coffee Distributor and the IKAPE V6 Impact Coffee Tamper Mini. Let's start with the distributor. Right out of the box, this thing feels premium, solid, weighty, and smooth in the hand. I've always believed a good distributor needs some weight to work effectively, and this one nails it. It's made with food-grade stainless steel and an aluminum alloy shell, which makes it safe, durable, and easy to clean. Yes, it's even dishwasher safe. Now, what makes this stand out is the built-in double bearings. Instead of rotating the whole tool with your wrist, the base spins on its own, making it effortless and smooth to use. There's also a magnetic levitation balance ring, which means it kind of floats and presses back gently, using magnetic repulsion. You don't need to push down, just let it glide over your coffee bed, and it levels everything evenly. On top of that, the 9-surface base design ensures a consistent, flat surface, whether you rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. It creates a perfectly even bed ready for tamping. And that's key, because an even bed means fewer channeling issues and better extraction every single time. Now, let's unbox the second tool, the IKAPE V6 Impact Coffee Tamper Mini. Inside the box, you'll find a tamper bed, an extra spring, and the V6 Impact Coffee Tamper Mini. Right away, it feels premium, solid, and really comfortable to hold. But the magic of this tamper is in its impact mechanism. Instead of relying only on your pressure, the tamper uses an internal spring system to deliver a consistent level press every time. That means no more wondering if you've tamped too light or too hard. It takes the guesswork out of the process. You can even swap the spring to adjust the tamping force to your liking, which is awesome if you want to fine-tune your workflow. The tamper bed is beautifully machined, fits snugly, and ensures a flat puck that reduces channeling and gives you a smoother, more balanced shot. You'll feel that satisfying impact click when it locks in a perfectly even puck. It's smooth, quick, and way easier on your wrist compared to traditional tampers. One thing I'm not a big fan of is all these texts on these two. I would appreciate it more if they had a clean and minimal look. Pairing these two has been a game changer for me. It makes my prep steps more consistent, takes the strain off my wrist, and helps me pull cafe-quality espresso shots right at home. Honestly, they've made my workflow not just easier, but more enjoyable. These are tools I now use every day and completely trust for consistent results. If you're a home barista or interested in coffee in general, make sure to like and subscribe for more coffee content. See you next time.